Man overboard. Man overboard. Hey, hold on. Give me, hold on. Good call. Hey guys, and welcome to the camping edition video. We are headed to Allegheny National Forest in Pennsylvania, and we're going to be.
And I'm wearing my pajamas.
Jaden's wearing his pajamas, and we are going to be camping, fishing, kayaking. The Jeep is packed, and we're ready to roll here. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy. We're at Custard City Drive-In in PA. Great stop. First stop on our camping trip. We were kind of hungry. Well, no, we stopped at the Dollar General because we left a bowl and we didn't have a whisk. We also stopped at Tops because we needed Gatorade. And now we're at the Custard City Drive-In having some food on our camping trip. This is not camping right now, right? Anyway guys, this is a great place. If you're out at Allegheny National Forest out in PA, this is a great stop. Great ice cream, great food, and it's really inexpensive. It's pretty cool. All right, so we got our lunch at Custard City Drive-In in PA here, and let's just see what Jaden got. He got it. What is this? What is this? This is the kids' meal. He gets an awesome. What you got here? This is pretty cool. We got a. Look at this parachute guy. He's a parachute guy. You throw him up in the air, he comes back down. And we also got a ball, a bouncy ball.
Just a ball.
And you got a cheeseburger here. Look at this kid's cheeseburger. Is this hot?
Can you take the fries out? Like, I need this somewhere to put
Oh, you got put it right in there.
Put the fries back in there. Oh yeah, the fries. Oh yeah.
Right there. And I got some fish and chips. Looks good. Got some milk too. Now we have ice cream. And this ice cream is delicious.
Delicious.
I guess we're pre-gaming before camping. So we're eating ice cream, we're eating food. What else are we doing?
I don't know.
I guess Jay just loves his ice cream, can't talk. He loves my ice cream. Jay, at campsite, what do you think, buddy?
I like it.
You like it, huh? Wow, it's like campsite. This is our home for the next 2-3 days here. Look at this. And this is where we're gonna set up, right here. All right, here we go. Now we have to unload and set up. This is the fun part. This is our camping area, and we're all set up, ready to roll. And I have a gift for Jaden. He doesn't know about this gift. For this special camping trip, I got something special for Jaden. 2 gifts. Number 1, stay. Number 1.
What is this?
It's a gift for both of us. I put it up. Pretty cool. We got some gear light. This is awesome. Camping lights.
What's the other one?
Okay. It's your first carving knife.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
No. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take it, and this is the sharp end right there. You could hold it like this, right here. You just carve away. Okay? You know, Jiffy Pops taste so much better on a campfire. What do you think? And Jay, the fire master, is putting together the fire. Got some flames going on. I want to create some coals there. And for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, we're going to be cooking in these. I'm going to open that up and show them. Look at that. We're going to be making pizza tonight. We'll show you guys later on. We're going to be making pizza using pie iron. So here's an awesome little recipe. Spray it.
Oh, that's bubbling.
It's okay. Throw some of that on there. Some pizza sauce. Two nice pieces.
And then do the same thing on the other side.
Now let's cover this up. Yeah, just like that, right? It's gonna stick them right in it. Put that right in there. Put this one. Remember? Take them off like this, huh? Let's see this pizza. Look at that. Look at that delicious pizza. Wow. That looks delicious. Our pizza is made.
Nom nom nom.
Pizza's made. I'm gonna bite into it.
Hot? Hot?
It's a little hot, but this thing's delicious. Be really careful. Pizza in a pie iron.
With bread.
With bread, cheese, sauce. Great camping, delicious thing. So good. Roasty marshmallows. Making s'mores. Oh, blow it out, blow it out, blow it out. Oh my god, I had to use a fire extinguisher.
Choo choo choo.
Oh my god, that was pretty good. Good morning, day 2 of camping. It was cold last night. We are, well, Jaden, making a fire. And we're gonna make some, what's on the menu for this morning? We have eggs and we have some pancakes. And I'm gonna try to make egg sandwiches in the pie iron. I think that's what we're going to do. Man, I sound so awake. And I hear a baby crying in the background. I need to wake up. Jay, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Grill master Jaden Rehos making eggs in today's dish. Man, camping is simple. We have a chef. Alright, so we add some eggs. Here we go. See how that looks. That up. Whoa, that is delicious looking. Guys, now this is an egg and cheese sandwich. Wow. Jay's digging in.
Canadian bacon in the middle.
Canadian bacon in the middle, eggs, cheese, egg sandwich.
Sounds good. Look at that.
Oh my God, it looks perfect. Look at mine here, man. Look at this thing. Oh my God.
It's good.
It's kayaking time, and look at this. Look at this beautiful place that we're going kayaking. This is on the Kinzu River. I think it's the Kinzu River. And we're in PA, Allegheny National Forest. And we're just gonna have some fun. Check out this view. Seriously, check out this view. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys have to come here. Look at this view behind me. This is beautiful. You know, I'm truly grateful to be out here with my son. And Jay just... Man overboard! Man overboard! Hey, hold on. Hold on. Get caught. I was just telling everyone how grateful I am to be out here with you as a father, and you fall into the water. This is what I'm talking about. These are moments that we're always going to remember for the rest of our lives. And you know, you guys have to just go out there and just create these memories. And it doesn't matter. It just doesn't. Just create memories with your family, because time is precious. And one day, right, Jay? He's going to be paddling me. This is great.
We're done kayaking, and let's see what we're going to do next.
It's our last morning here, and we're going to be making pancakes. And guess what happened last night? We had a little visitor because I forgot to put the garbage in the Jeep, but something went in and ate some watermelon.
There's a bear.
Jay thinks it's a bear, right?
Or a raccoon. Or the cute
Or a
little
raccoon.
faces of a raccoon. Ah, I missed.
Jay and I made to the Kinzo Bridge, and now we're going to go explore it. You have to come to the Kinzo Bridge. Look at this. Okay, let's check this out here. Ready? I'm going to turn this around. Just look at this. Beautiful. Oh, it's windy out. This is such a beautiful. This is worth the drive from my campsite. It's about a 30-minute campsite. This is crazy. Watch. Now there's a glass floor that you can stand on and look down. That's pretty tricky. All right, so tell me about your favorite time at Allegheny.
Or part.
Or part. Anything this
Falling
weekend?
off the kayak. And him getting bit by black flies because he fell into mud.
I'm itching like crazy. What was your favorite meal of the weekend?
The egg and cheese and game bacon sandwich.
Yes.
And nobody forgets the bread.
That was delicious. So, thank you again for watching. Please don't forget...
You always get... And this every video, you always have to redo it.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
You just said... Okay, let me do it.
You do it.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon.
And hit that notification bell.
Yeah, don't forget that either.
Thank you for the support. Take care, guys.
Bye.